In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact KFC's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we can do is open up the KFC app on our mobile device. From here, navigate to the bottom of the page and click on where it says more with the three horizontal bars. And then on this page, scroll down and click onto support. And then it says, how can we help you? So you've got an option to call the KFC store, or you can drop them a message if you have any other questions or feedback. They'll get back to you as soon as they can. So you can click on send us a message. So if you want to send their message, click onto that. And now you want to jot down your full name. And then what can we help you with today? Just choose which one best describes your situation. So I'm just going to do a general inquiry, and then what is this general inquiry about? I'm just going to say other. Can you be more specific? General. And then just fill out this form here, put in your phone number and email address, hit submit, and they'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours depending how busy they are.